Basic Math, Chapter 11, Section 8, Changing Fractions to Percents. A fraction can be written as a division problem. You got the numerator on top, the denominator on bottom. That can be turned into a division by putting the number on top into the shop, and the number on bottom does the dividing. Use this idea to change a fraction to a percent. For example, change 3/4 to a percent. Step 1, write the fraction as a division problem in which the numerator is divided by the denominator. The number on top goes in the shop. The bottom does the dividing. Step 2, divide. The quotient will be a decimal. So you can add a decimal, add zeros as you need, and get your quotient. In this case, 75/100ths. Step 3, write the decimal as a percent. Move the decimal point 2 places to the right and put a percent sign. Let's practice. I'm going to need a little bit of space. Put it over here. All right, let's start with number 4. So 1/2 becomes a division problem by putting 1 in a division box and 2 does the dividing. You can add a decimal and a 0 and see that 5 times 2 is 10. All right, nothing's left over. Bring the decimal up and we get 0.5. Now 0.5 is the decimal. We need a percent. So move the decimal point 1, 2 places to the right. In this case, we need to add a 0. So 1/2 is equal to 50%. And that last thing after you move the decimal 2 places to the right is add the percent sign. All right, let's look at number 5. 1/5. The number on top goes in the shop, and the number on bottom does the dividing. Add a decimal, add a 0, or as many as you need, and now it takes 2 10s. Move the decimal up into the answer, and then we're going to move the decimal 2 places to the right. 1, 2. We need to add a 0 for that one. So now we can write the answer by putting the 20 with a percent sign. All right, should we try one more? Let's look at number 9. 1/8. Number on top goes in the shop, and 8 does the dividing. We're going to need a few zeros. Not sure how many, I'll just put a bunch. It's okay. So 8 goes into 10 once. And we get 2. Bring down the 0, and it takes 2. Bring down the 0, and takes 5. Now we got no remainder. So we don't need these extra zeros. That's fine. Move the decimal up. So the decimal part now is 0.125. We want to turn that into the percent, so we move the decimal to the right 2 times. Now the last step is to write the answer with a percent sign. 12.5%. There's a few more you could continue your practice here, see if it makes sense, and then go to your workbook for Chapter 11, Section 8. Of course, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.